Hey everyone, today I will show you how to buy NFL Sunday tickets on YouTube TV. Just follow these steps and you can do it very easily. First, go to the official NFL Sunday Tickets website to check the availability and subscriptions options. Choose the package that best fits for your needs. There may be different packages offering various features such as streaming on different devices. If you are a new subscriber, then you will need to sign up for an account. If you are an existing subscriber, log in with your credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to provide the necessary information including your location and payment details. Review your order and confirm your purchase to complete the subscription process. Depending on the package, you may need to download the NFL Sunday Ticket app to your preferred streaming device. And that's how you can buy NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV.